Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign into your Booking.com account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Com account in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open the Booking.com app on your phone, or open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. If you are using a browser, type Booking.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Booking.com homepage to fully load. Look at the top of the page for the sign-in option, or in the app find Sign In on the welcome screen. Click or tap Sign In to open the login page. Choose how you want to sign in, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook, depending on what you used before. If you select email, click the email field and type the email address linked to your account. Double-check that your email is spelled correctly with no extra spaces. Click or tap Continue or Next to move to the password step. Click or tap the password field and type your Booking.com password. If you want to see what you type, tap the eye icon to show or hide the password. Make sure caps lock is off if your password is case-sensitive. Click or tap Sign In to submit your login details. Wait a few seconds while Booking.com verifies your information. If you get an error message, recheck your email and password and try again slowly. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password to reset it. Enter your email address for the reset link and follow the instructions sent to your inbox. Open your email app, find the message from Booking.com, and click the reset link. Create a new strong password and return to the Booking.com sign-in page. If you sign in with Google, select your Google account and approve the permission request if asked. If you sign in with Apple, use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm. If you sign in with Facebook, enter your Facebook login details and allow access if prompted. After signing in, confirm you see your account icon or profile name at the top of the screen. Go to Bookings or Trips to verify your reservations are visible. If your account is new, check your email for a verification request and complete it if required. For extra security on shared devices, avoid saving passwords and always use private browsing when possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.